Welcome to our tutorial on creating a post from your home timeline on Twitter using your PC. Let's dive into the steps to share your thoughts, updates, or media content with your followers. To begin, open Twitter on your PC and locate the Compose box at the top of your home timeline. Type your post within the 280-character limit into the Compose box. Share your message, updates, or thoughts with your audience. Enhance your post by including up to 4 photos, a GIF, or a video to make your content more engaging and visually appealing. Once you've crafted your post and added any media elements, review it to ensure it aligns with your message. Finally, click the Post button to share your tweet with your followers and post it to your profile for your audience to see. By following these steps, you can easily create and share posts from your home timeline on Twitter using your PC. Engage your followers, share updates, and express yourself through text, images, GIFs, and videos on the platform. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you effectively utilize Twitter to connect with your audience and share engaging content. Start posting today to enrich your presence and interactions on the platform.